Well, the Obama administration did launch a new $75 billion plan to keep struggling homeowners out of foreclosure. Our Keith Whitney found something else that might help keep you in your home. Your mortgage company has to hear 3 words, but there's a catch here. You can't say them.
Going once, going twice.
With foreclosures all over the country reaching record levels, more and more people are beginning to fight back with 3 words that hit lenders like a fist. Produce the note.
If a lender cannot produce a note, it's no different than a person going to the bank trying to cash a lost check. If you don't have the note, you can't prove that you own the mortgage.
In the feeding frenzy of the housing boom, it was not uncommon for mortgages to be sold again and again, over and over, until they were wrapped up in securitized bundles that were sold again and again on Wall Street, over and over in a shill game of infinite paperwork.
It all boils down to sloppy paperwork. I think that frequently these subprime loans were not properly documented, and the documents were not preserved properly. I see that over and over again.
But to be used here in Georgia, the 3 words have to be uttered by an attorney, not by you. That's because Georgia's a non-judicial foreclosure state, and for the court to get involved, an attorney has to ask for a temporary restraining order.
So in order to demand that the lender produce a note outside of bankruptcy court, the borrower is going to have to sue the lender in state court and demand that the lender produce the note.
But the cost of an attorney may be worth it. Rothbloom says banks typically settle foreclosures when hit with produce the note, or the case gets wrapped up for years with no resolution. In Marietta, Keith Whitney, 11 Live News Tonight.
Well, if you're ready for your close-up, or you always wanted to say that's me, that little blob in the back of the shot, you may want to head to Paulding County in the morning. The movie Get Low, starring Robert Duvall, Sissy Spacek, and Bill Murray, is filming again there tomorrow. Producers say they're in desperate need of background extras. We got some details for you how you can be a part of the movie on 11alive.com. You have to get there early, like 5 in the morning. You have to dress like you're from the 30s. Get Low, one of 8 movies to set up shop in Georgia so far this year. This project brought in, well, projects like this, $300 million into the state in 2008.